Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Codecanyon easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Codecanyon and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Once the Codecanyon homepage loads, look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in your desired username in the first field. Next, enter your email address in the designated section. Create a strong password and type it into the password field. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the next box. Now, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. If available, opt for receiving promotional emails if you want updates. After filling in all required fields, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Go to your email inbox and find the message from Codecanyon. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Returning to Codecanyon, log in using your newly created username and password. Now you are successfully registered and can explore the platform. Congratulations, you are ready to start using Codecanyon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.